Hi YouTube. So I'm undercoating my new Maverick and got these special rocker panel clips that are pretty hard to get out. So I want to make a quick video here. And YouTube's helped me a lot, so check this out. So the easiest thing to do is just grab a pair of pliers, and if you have something square, you could probably put it in that hole here, but a pair of pliers works fine. So what you're going to want to do is just grip it kind of straight up, and it's got some meat here in between, so grab it in the middle. And as you see, one side is going to be slightly higher than the other. It's going to be wider here than it is, and that's the direction you're going to want to turn. You want to turn it into that slot, and it does vary per clip. So go ahead and grip it here and then turn it. And again, I'm just gripping the top portion, not gripping the one towards the bottom, you'll see. So I get close, I'm just really gripping this top portion here. I don't need to grip the whole thing. All right, so again, just grip this, turn it. Seems easy enough. But what you'll see is like, oh, it's hard, things are bending, but then you see this right here. And then when you get here and it starts to like come down, stop. You break the clip otherwise. So once you have that, see how it's nice and loose? Now the trick is, pull this fender out, and then you're gonna wanna slide it. So get your thumb back here, and then slide this forward. And it's got these little clips here that kind of get in there, so it's gonna be a little tough, but then you can slide it out. And this is what the clip looks like, okay? So the reason we're turning it, when it's up there, these little clips here are in the metal. Sorry, not focusing. These are in the metal, these two clips. So by turning it, the hole itself, apologies, my light is behind the camera. The hole itself is kind of oblong. So we're turning it to release those clips into this oblong part, which then drops this down. And then it's just a matter of sliding it out past these tabs here, which are these right here on either side. Okay. So I'll do one more because I like thorough videos. So let's go into this one. And if you got it, you can stop watching, but let's just do this one quick. So again, we're going to try to video and do this at the same time. We're going to grab this in the middle. In this case, we're turning, my case, to the left. It can be a little bit tricky. Make sure I get a good video here. Again, it's hard to do with the camera. Then twist, stop when it pops. And then just use your fingers, pull it out a little bit more. Looks good. Go right to the fender, push. That way you don't have to break these clips and buy them. But otherwise, quite a unique clip. Kind of seen these before, but I have really old cars. So anyway, that's how you do it. Thanks.